What's up, crypto enthusiasts, and welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin. We're kicking things off with a story that's got Wall Street buzzing: GameStop. That's right, the video game retailer is making waves not just with its stock, but with a significant pivot into the world of Bitcoin. Get ready for the details. Next up, let's talk about the big kahuna itself. Bitcoin. We're seeing some absolutely explosive price action, soaring past $114,000. What's driving this massive rally? It's all about the latest economic data and what it means for Federal Reserve policy. This could be a game changer. But the excitement doesn't stop there. As Bitcoin and Ethereum regain strength, savvy investors are zeroing in on the next big thing: crypto presales. We've identified 3 of the hottest presale opportunities that could offer massive returns. You'll want to hear about these. And finally, we're dissecting the latest economic indicators, including the Producer Price Index, that are directly impacting Bitcoin's price trajectory. Can BTC maintain this momentum? We've got the analysis you need to stay ahead. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin, and smash that notification bell. GameStop's bold Bitcoin bet pays off big. Get ready for a shocker. GameStop's stock is absolutely soaring, and it's not just about video games anymore. The company, once struggling with tough competition, has made a significant investment in Bitcoin, and it's paying off in a massive way, astonishing Wall Street. This strategic move is proving to be a major win. In their latest earnings report, GameStop announced an incredible second-quarter revenue of $972.2 million, a huge leap from last year's $798.3 million. Hardware and accessories led the charge, making up nearly 61% of sales, with collectibles and software following closely. But the real headline grabber is their Bitcoin strategy. After facing mixed reactions in March, GameStop has doubled down, investing about 6% of its cash into Bitcoin. By the end of the second quarter, these holdings were valued at a staggering $528.6 million. This isn't just a small experiment, it's a substantial commitment that's clearly boosting their financial performance and investor confidence. The crypto community and investors are buzzing about GameStop's successful integration of Bitcoin into its financial strategy. Many are praising the company's bold move, seeing it as a sign of increasing mainstream adoption and a smart diversification play. Analysts are noting how this success could encourage other traditional companies to explore digital asset investments. Could this be the start of a new era for retail giants in crypto? Stay tuned as we break down the economic data that's sending Bitcoin's price to the moon next. Bitcoin rockets past $114K on cooling inflation hopes. Forget Elon Musk, forget flashy ETFs. The real catalyst for Bitcoin's explosive surge past $114,000 is something far more fundamental. U.S. economic data. The latest Producer Price Index, PPI, came in significantly cooler than expected, sending traders into a frenzy, convinced that Jerome Powell and the Federal Reserve are about to unleash a wave of interest rate cuts. This cooling inflation is a massive signal. Simply put, the inflationary heat is dissipating faster than anticipated, making it increasingly difficult for the Fed to maintain its higher-for-longer stance. Wall Street is now pricing in a September rate cut as not just a possibility, but a strong probability. Historically, Bitcoin thrives in environments of abundant liquidity and low interest rates. When rates drop, money tends to flow into riskier assets, and Bitcoin, as the ultimate high-beta play on liquidity, often rides this wave the hardest. On-chain data supports this, showing massive accumulation by whales during previous easing cycles, which preceded epic bull runs. If history rhymes, 2025 could see Bitcoin not only stabilize above 6 figures, but potentially reach uncharted territory. The market is abuzz with excitement, with many celebrating the potential shift in monetary policy. Analysts are pointing to the historical correlation between Fed easing cycles and Bitcoin's bull runs. However, there's a note of caution. The Consumer Price Index, CPI, might remain sticky, and a significant jobs revision showing 911,000 jobs lost could signal recessionary pressures, meaning the Fed might cut rates out of necessity rather than choice. This could introduce turbulence before the liquidity tailwind fully kicks in. Will this Fed pivot be the rocket fuel Bitcoin needs for its next major ascent? Up next, we're revealing 3 under-the-radar crypto presales that could explode as Bitcoin and Ethereum regain their strength. Top 3 crypto presales to grab while Bitcoin and XRP surge. As Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP are showing renewed strength, smart money is already looking for the next big opportunity. Crypto presales. With potential Fed rate cuts on the horizon and a possible alt season brewing, these early-stage projects could offer massive returns before the next bull run truly ignites. We've identified 3 standout presales that are capturing investor attention. First up is PPNOD, a unique Minetworn meme coin that gamifies crypto mining. Users can build virtual mining rigs, earning rewards not just in PPNOD, but also in other popular meme coins. Its deflationary burn mechanism and strategic gameplay have already attracted nearly $1 million in investment, with tokens available for just 0.0010533 and staking yields up to 1,442% annually. Next, we have Snorter token, Snort, on Solana. This project is built around SnorterBot, an advanced Telegram trading bot designed for easy token sniping with robust security features like AI rug pull detection. The presale is nearing $4 million, with Snort tokens priced at 0.1039 and offering staking yields up to 122%. Finally, Maxi is making waves as the underdog of the Doge family, featuring a muscular mascot that's gone viral. Having already raised $2 million, Maxi is capitalizing on the Doge-themed token frenzy, with plans for long-term development and community rewards. Tokens are available for 0.0002565, with staking yields up to 158%. These presales are generating significant buzz, with investors eager to get in on the ground floor. The combination of innovative tokenomics, gamification, and strong community backing is driving substantial early investment despite broader market fluctuations. Many see these projects as potential 100x opportunities in the coming bull cycle. Can these meme coins truly deliver on their massive promises? Finally, we're breaking down exactly how the latest economic news is directly influencing Bitcoin's price. Don't miss it. Bitcoin price jumps as producer price index signals Fed rate cut likelihood. Bitcoin is on the move, ticking higher after the latest economic data dropped. The Bureau of Labor Statistics reported that the producer price index, PPI, actually fell by 0.1% in August. This is a major indicator that producers are facing less pressure to hike prices, making a Federal Reserve rate cut not just possible, but increasingly probable, potentially as soon as next week. As of this writing, BTC has seen a solid gain of about 0.5% in the past hour following the PPI news, pushing its price back above $114,000. This surge puts Bitcoin up 2.3% from last week, though still down slightly from its monthly high. Even Ethereum caught a small boost, gaining 0.2% to trade around $4,382.10. The positive sentiment is reflected on Myriad, a prediction market, where 72% of users now believe Bitcoin can hold above the crucial $105,000 level for the rest of September. However, there's a caveat. The core PPI, which excludes volatile food and energy prices, rose 0.3% month-over-month, indicating some persistent underlying inflation. This means the upcoming Consumer Price Index, CPI, report will be critical. Analysts like James Toledano from Unity Wallet are closely watching tomorrow's CPI data, noting that hotter-than-expected figures could introduce volatility, while lower readings would likely fuel further crypto rallies. The market sensitivity to inflation data as a gauge for monetary policy direction is undeniable, with crypto often mirroring traditional risk-on-risk-off dynamics. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index has also shifted from greed to a more neutral 49, indicating traders are cautiously positioning themselves ahead of the next FOMC meeting. With 88% of investors expecting a 25 basis point rate cut and 12% anticipating a 50 basis point cut, the focus is now on the magnitude of the cut and upcoming economic indicators like non-farm payrolls and unemployment. Will this economic data be enough to propel Bitcoin to new all-time highs? That wraps up today's top stories. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our next deep dive. And that's a wrap on today's Bitcoin Bulletin. We saw GameStop's stock soar thanks to its Bitcoin investment, Bitcoin itself breaking past $114,000 on cooling inflation data, 3 hot crypto presales to watch, and a fresh look at how economic indicators are impacting BTC's price. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin for all your crypto news, hit that notification bell, and follow us on all our socials so you never miss a beat.